Hello, everyone. El Dorado Springs Chamber of Commerce CEO Jackson Tuff. And as you know, most of you see me out in front of the camera, but today I'm behind it, and I want to introduce you to one of our, well, I'd call him a community and a chamber investor, Mr. Paul Long with Ollis, Akers, and Arney Insurance and Business Advisors. Paul, how are you today?
I'm great. Thanks for having me do this today, Jackson.
You bet. Some folks may not know, what do you do at Ollis, Akers, and Arney?
Well, as you said, we are insurance and business advisors. We're here to help people manage their risk, to advise them on what they need to do. We're also here to be here whenever they have a claim or they need assistance with some type of policy situation. We really strive to have clients here at Ollis, Akers, Arney so that we have all of their coverages and so that we can take care of all of their risk.
Gotcha. And now, El Dorado Springs isn't your only office.
No.
Where are those?
Well, we have, of course, the El Dorado Springs office. Then we have an office in Bolivar. We have an office in Springfield, Missouri, and one in Branson. We are 100% employee owned. So we have about 60 plus employees across our organization that are all employee owners. So they own this business right here that you're looking at, as well as the employees here are part owners in the other locations that we have as well.
Now, speaking of employees, I know you have several here at the El Dorado Springs office.
Yes.
Can you introduce us to a couple of them?
Sure. Well, I would introduce you to Kayo.
There she is.
But she's at the Bolivar office today and at the Springfield office actually doing some training.
Okay.
So we'll
Gotcha.
come over here to Bert Julian.
Hi, Bert.
Hi.
How are you today?
Bert loves the camera.
Oh, absolutely. Well, the camera loves Bert, right?
That's right. Come on back through here and we'll go see what else we've got.
Yeah, it kind of winds back through here, and yeah.
And then we have Rhonda Williams.
Hi, Rhonda.
Hey, Jackson.
How are
you
we?
today?
I'm fantastic.
Me too.
You bet. So, take me on around here.
Sure. So this is my office whenever I'm here.
Gotcha. Very nice. So now I know that you're active in the El Dorado Springs community.
Yes.
What are some of the activities that you support locally, and how does Ollis, Akers, and Arney benefit our community?
Well, we've of course done Bright Futures. Since I came to town.
Great organization, by the way.
I was asked to be a part of that, and then Rhonda helps fill in the gaps whenever I can't be over here. But it has been a great organization. We've been a part of that, and we've all done the cookouts and things like that. And then, of course, the Chamber of Commerce try to be very involved. I feel like I've tried to help with getting you speakers,
Absolutely,
and topics, and then with this, we have our banners in the Civic Center, and we've supported the annual picnic and so forth as well.
Right. Now, speaking of the Chamber, I know that we have some exciting updates on the Missouri Chamber Federation's group health insurance plan, and if you're a member of our Chamber and have 3+ employees, you can apply for that. Paul, since you're an approved broker, can you kind of give us a summary of that program?
Yeah, so Ollis, Akers, Arney was one of the original groups of agencies that started this plan with the chambers. And because of that, we had to adhere to the laws that came out where it was actually illegal for us to go out and try and get people to join. We had to do it through you or the other chamber directors, which has made it somewhat cumbersome. Well, as of August 28th, they have lifted those restrictions, and we can now market the chamber and help the chamber grow by using this as a marketing tool for people that might not be with a chamber and might not have health insurance on the same side. So it's been a great thing, and we're getting ready to really ramp up our marketing in all of our major communities, which El Dorado Springs is one of those.
I love that because I think we can save our members some money and just be even more of a service as a chamber, and you can help us to facilitate that. So that's awesome. So, by the way, what a nice clean desk you have. My desk is never that clean.
You go to any of my desks. I actually have 3. I don't have one in Branson because I don't go down there as often. But everything I do is usually on the paper or on the computer or something like that. If you see paper, it's not on there for very long.
Yeah, save a tree, right?
That's right.
So I ask folks this all the time. What do you like or love about our wonder city of West Central Missouri, that being El Dorado Springs?
Well, I've really loved and enjoyed getting to know everyone and how well I've been accepted in the community. You know, it's hard to come into a community where you don't actually live every day, but I feel like I've tried to be a part, and at no time do I feel like anyone didn't want me here or didn't want me to be a part. I mean, everybody's always very friendly to me. And, oh, hey, you're Paul Long.
We're a friendly bunch.
I've seen you on your billboard, you know.
Right, absolutely. Well, that's awesome. That's awesome. You know, I guess really, tell us where your offices are specifically in El Dorado Springs and how to contact your fine folks here.
Sure. The office is still in the same place it was whenever I purchased it several years ago, and it's been here for many years. It's right here next to Subway if you're going to get something to eat, or next to Dollar General if you're going to.
Two pretty
get
popular
something.
places.
Yeah. So catty corner from Sonic, next to Meeks. How's that?
There you go. Yeah. Phone number?
417-876-4646.
Gotcha. That's fantastic. Paul, appreciate you joining us today, and we appreciate your support of the community and your Chamber of Commerce.
Well, thank you for having me today, and I do enjoy being a member of the El Dorado Springs Chamber of Commerce.
Thanks, Paul.
You're welcome.